So here we are down in the Ploughing Championships here in Ireland. For all our overseas viewers, the Ploughing Championships is Europe's biggest outdoor show. We'll get about 300,000 visitors here over the next 3 days. I'm here on the Inspectec Ireland stand, where Inspectec are dealers for various brands, but very exciting brand they're now the official dealer for is Thaler. It's a German-built machine outside there in Bavaria. So I'm delighted to be joined here by the sales director of Inspectec Ireland, Mr. Dan Daly. Dan, you've got your brand new Thaler behind us here. You've sold a few in Ireland already. Tell everybody, what is Thaler?
Thaler is a manufacturer based in Germany, just outside Munich. They manufacture small, compact loading equipment for construction and agricultural applications, and we have been the dealer now, the main importer actually for Thaler for the last 2 years. And we started off here with the model behind me, which is the 48T18, which is a 4.8 meter machine, 1.8 ton lift, and which is the largest of any manufacturer in this small compact range.
Right. So it was owned by a family company, wasn't it? So they've been recently bought out by a conglomerate.
An investor, yeah. The business is a family business for the last 25 years, and they now have just recently had a major company come in as an investor. So to take the business to the next stage. Thaler is predominantly European based. I came across them at a show in Germany called Agritechnica in 2018, and it was on the recommendation of a friend of mine that's a dealer for them in Germany, and we went from there. But as I say, yeah, up to now they've had no representation in the UK or Ireland. So, but yeah, now with this new investor on board, they look to be taking things to go global.
Okay, what's the main features and benefits about the Thaler?
This machine we have here on the stand is a 48T18, which is a 4.8 meter lift height, 1.8 ton lift, which is the largest capacity machine of any of the manufacturers in that compact range, which is the 3 ton range or less. The machine is road towable. It's using Yanmar engine, 48 horsepower Yanmar engine, which is the biggest capacity engine of any of the smaller machines, giving it the most power. It would have the biggest cab. I'm a small enough guy, and I've sat in competitors' machines, and they are very, very tight. This machine here has a nice roomy cab, doesn't have aircon, heated cab, radio. So it's all the mod cons, and again, it's a nice experience when you're in there working for maybe 5-6 hours a day. It's a nice machine to work in.
Who's your ideal customer?
This machine actually is from the show. This is our second day here. Now, yesterday I had some inquiries from farmers. Obviously, machines have sold already, have gone into construction. So it's both areas, probably predominantly construction, where guys now are looking for smaller machines for more compact sites where they need to lift awkward loads into tight spots. One machine there we sold this year to a guy in Dublin, works in data centers, and he said it's a brilliant machine again for lifting awkward loads into small areas. So yeah, so that's where we're at, kind of.
Okay, and of course, excellent German engineering. So that means it's going to be a solid machine. It's going to last a very long time, and it's never going to let you down.
Yes, correct. We would think, like, you buy a machine now, like 10 years time, the machine is still going to be in a good serviceable place, and like still get good trade-in values as well, like, you know.
Great. So if you want to learn more about the Thaler brand, and of course more about how to see a machine on demo, Dan, the man here, will be delighted to bring one machine down to you. All the information there is on www.inspectec.ie.